What's up, you guys? Welcome to my 1 minute lift skincare review video. So this is by Eye Secrets, a visible wrinkle reducer serum here. So this is a 30 ml container, and Eye Secrets sells a variety of skincare products. So this is a great product. You apply it morning or night, and it helps to reduce wrinkles and give your skin that extra moisture and glow that you want. So you can use this with your fingertips to smooth over wrinkles and deep creases. And this sometimes comes out as a white residue. So if it is like that, you can remove it using a damp cloth. And this is to help reduce wrinkles, like I said. It has a bunch of different anti-aging products in it. So it's a pump here, and then you can use this twice a day and see if within like a month your wrinkles will reduce. I have to try this out more for a little bit longer to see fully if within a month like the wrinkles will reduce, but it's made in the US. It's not tested on animals. It also, you'll buy this at a discount, and it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you can send it back, get your money back, and there's no harm in trying it. So I'll put the link in my bio and you can check it out today. See you in the next video.